It is indeed a privilege for me to stand in for the Minister for Health, Dr. Emil Sharma, and the Permanent Secretary for Health, Dr. Elwani Tora, for this auspicious occasion, especially in the Western Division. The Ministry of Health aligns its core functions to the health policy objectives embedded in the 2009 to 2014 Roadmap to Democracy for Sustainable Social and Economic Development, which are, number one, that communities are served with a primary and preventable health service. Number two, communities have access to efficient and quality health care. And number three is to strengthen health system at all levels of service delivery. As such, the Ministry is committed in continuously improving its services locally and being a regional hub in most facets of development. It also extends its assistance and services to our Pacific neighbors. We all do recognize that our South Pacific region is mostly open seas, with island mass, islands and atolls scattered widely across. Health services, therefore, can be a challenge to all island states, and Fiji is no exception. Although Fiji has established nursing stations, health centers, and divisional and hospitals in our maritime zones, health services delivery continues to be a challenge with rural to urban drift, the rising cost of petrol, and availability of regular inter-island vessels. In alignment with the vision to bring health services close to the communities, the Ministry has embarked on decentralization services, even up to the procurement of a mobile bus to reach out to the communities. Our maritime zones, unfortunately, do not have this luxury for obvious reasons. We therefore appreciate and acknowledge CIMESI for showing interest in improving such services, in providing such services. The close collaboration and discussion between our Ministry of Health and CIMESI has resulted in the signing of Memorandum of Understanding, and we believe that the CIMESI should be providing such service in the Lao Group within the next 2 to 3 months. We therefore really look forward for this undertaking. Colleagues and friends, we are gathered again this morning at the beautiful Vunda Marina to witness yet another close partnership between the two partners. In response to the devastation caused by Cyclone Ian to our Pacific islands in the island kingdom of Tonga, the Ministry has identified some of our excess medicines and pharmaceutical products worth close to more than $200,000, which we would like to donate to Tonga for the health service needs. Natural disasters do trigger outbreak of diseases, and it is our hope that this little donation will assist the Health Department of Tonga in meeting the needs of their communities. We also extend our well wishes to the Ministry of Health in Tonga in successfully providing health care needs during this challenging period in the aftermath of the cyclone. We are again thank CIMESI for coming on board to accept the cutting of these supplies to our neighboring islands. Thank you so much, CIMESI, for your generosity and charitable thoughts in assisting the health of the Pacific Island nations. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, I wish the CIMESI response fleet a bon voyage, and that they succeed in reaching out to the island countries needing medical assistance. Pinaka Bakalevo, and thank you very much.
Thank you.